A dog?
No.
A cat?
No. Let's draw. Oh, raccoon.
Okay.
Here's his tail. And color up. And here. What do you think I'm drawing?
A raccoon?
Yeah. Let's draw raccoons. Here's his body. And a big man. But he's not angry. Raccoons just be talented. That's me.
Where's your mouth?
It's right here. What's me doing? What's me doing? It's the same.
Where's your arms?
They're right here. I draw and got draw this. I draw his shoes. I draw his shoes. I draw me shoes. And a scratch on my leg. I got a scratch.
Oh no.
And I crack it. I crack it.
You cracked it?
No.
You scratched it?
No. Look.
Do you need a band-aid?
No, I did alright.
It's alright.
Yeah. Okay, and some hair for me. I have crazy hair.
Oh, you need a brush.
And I have an egg on my arm. It's on my arm
Why do you have an egg on your arm?
because I'm holding it and not. He's not dropped it. Okay. It was hot in there, and he opened the oven. We color oven. I'm coloring oven. I color the oven. Hey.
Hi. What you got?
Up.
What is that?